USB desktop fan review coming your way right now. Hi everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SmartDevil USB Desk Fan. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a nice and simple retail box. They have multiple colors online to choose from. Now guys, let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have our warranty information, followed by our desktop fan instructions. There's also some more technical information on the back side for you. Then you can see we have our USB Type A to micro USB power cable. And then we have the fan itself right here. You can see the SmartDevil logo and branding on it. This is actually a removable cover on the front. So pay attention to the arrows that you can see right here and right there, that line at the top. We need to twist this counterclockwise a little bit. And now we can just work on gently pulling it off. And there we go. We can remove the cover for very easy cleaning of the 5 fan blades and the cover itself. Just be careful to only do this and remove it when the fan is not plugged in and powered on. You can see the groove at the top right there that we have to follow to get it back in place. So line it up at the bottom and the top, and then you can just twist it right back in. We have a nice knob down here to adjust the fan speed and settings. Really simple, guys. Just clicks on and off for you, and then you can twist it to the plus for more power. Here's the base of the fan. We got 3 nice feet for proper grip. Here's the back side of the fan. You can see our micro USB port down here. Nice protective cover. Check it out from all sides. Nice plastic construction, white and gray color scheme that we have going on right here. Also want to point out this fan is adjustable, so we can actually push it to adjust it to a 20-degree angle right there. So you can see how it rests on the tabletop. Looks really cool, guys. See it from this side too, the angle right there, as opposed to 90 degrees straight up and down. You can see from the back side too, there's a little track that we can push it on. So you have your normal mode, and then you can adjust it right here to the second way that we can use this fan. So that's really nice. We have 2 different options right there. Now let's go ahead, let's power it on and try it out. So this fan can work with a variety of USB devices to power it. So we have our computer right here. This is a USB extension cable plugged directly into our computer. We have a portable power bank right here with USB ports on it. We have your wall port USB plugs right here. And then we have your USB strip as well. All of these options will work to be able to power the fan. So let's go ahead, let's try it out. First, let's plug it into our computer. So if it plugged in right here, you can see it's powered on already. We're at our max power. Then we can adjust it down. There we go. We're at our lowest power setting. Then we can turn it off. So everything works great with our computer powering the fan. We get full power. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out with the power bank. So here's the power bank. We have 2 USB ports. We're going to plug them right in, power the power bank on. Now we're ready to turn the fan on. Sure enough, the fan works great. We're at max power right now. No issues at all using this portable power bank. Really cool. We can adjust it down to the lower settings as well for the speed. Then we can turn it off. Now let's try out our last 2 options. We have our wall plug option. So let's plug it right in, turn it on, and let's see how it does. So there we go. Everything works great, guys. No issues with the wall plug. We have max power. There's our 50% power, and now we're at our low power, and then we can turn it off. Nice indicator light down here too. Lights up blue. Very dimly, but you can see it to know when it's powered on and off. Now let's try our last option. We got the power strip for the USB ports. Plug it in. Powered on. We got the blue light, and we have our max speed right there. Very nice fan, guys. Pretty powerful. Nice that we have that adjustment too for it. So we can push it out if we want, or push it back. And we have a lot of different controls over the speed. It's very quiet as well, especially on the lower settings. So really nice. Everything works great. So I said the fan is quiet, and that got me thinking, why don't I get my decibel meter and we can see what it's like at the lowest and highest settings. So let's go ahead, let's try it out right now and see what sort of readings we get. So at the lowest power setting, the max decibels we got was 57 decibels, so it's very quiet. Now let's try it out at the max setting. So the max readout we got was 78 decibels at the highest power setting. I do want to point out at this stage, I noticed that there is a slight vibration to the fan right now that is noticeable to your ear, and it may irritate you if you want to have it on this maximum setting. So to get around that, at least in my case, you have to kind of push it in and do it at this angle, and it's not going to vibrate as much. It's a lot sturdier in place. Whereas I bring it back here, even if you push it all the way back to its secure in place, there's still a little bit of give to it. So that's creating the vibration. You could probably cram like a Post-it note or something in there to keep the vibration at a minimum. You can see it's still vibrating a little bit right here, or you could just have the fan with the angle all the way adjusted in that second setting, and you won't encounter that vibration. So overall, guys, this is just a very simple product that works. If you're looking for a cheap USB fan, this has some great features for you with the adjustable knob right here to control the speed and the power of the fan. And it's cool that we can adjust the angle like you see right here. I really like that option. And the removable cover is great too if you're working in a very dusty environment or you want to leave the fan on all the time and you want to be able to clean it out. It's nice that you have that access. Same with having the micro USB port. I'd love to see USB Type-C, but everybody typically has a micro USB cable lying around, so it's nice to know you have some options there in the off chance you want a longer cable, shorter cable, or you misplace the cable, you'll probably have an easy replacement. My biggest complaint is that vibration when I keep it like this and want to have it at the maximum speed. That may be a deal breaker for you if you want to keep this right at your desk, and maybe you're sensitive to that or you'll notice it, but I can definitely feel it vibrating. So I'd have to work on cramming something down there, a piece of tape, something like that to keep it stationary if that's the way that I want it. But chances are I'll keep it like this. I like that angle and think it's really cool. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.